Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see all the tasks assigned to you across your entire Monday.com account. If you're working on multiple boards or collaborating with different teams, this is the easiest way to keep track of everything you need to do in one place. Let's get started. To begin, open Monday.com and look at the left side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with options like Home, My Work, Inbox, and Boards. The fastest way to see every task assigned to you is by using the My Work tab. Click on My Work, and Monday will instantly gather all tasks from all boards where you're assigned in the People column. This includes tasks due today, upcoming tasks, overdue tasks, and anything you're responsible for. Inside My Work, you can switch between different views like Date, Board, or Status to organize your tasks the way you prefer. You can also filter the list by deadlines or only show tasks that are overdue. Another useful feature is the Search Everything bar at the top of Monday. You can type your name in the search bar, and Monday will show every item that includes you in the People column. This is helpful if you want a quick board-wide overview. If you only want to see tasks on a specific board, you can also use board filters. Open the board, click on Filter at the top, choose Person, and select your name. Now the board will show only tasks assigned to you. You can even save this filter as a board view so you don't need to repeat it every time. One more trick. If you use dashboards, you can add a workload widget or assigned to me widget, which automatically gathers tasks assigned to you and displays them with progress, timelines, and workload distribution. Once you know where to look, Monday.com makes it incredibly easy to stay organized and never lose track of any task assigned to you. And that's how you see all tasks assigned to you in Monday. Whether you use My Work, filters, or dashboards, everything you're responsible for stays in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials.